vision is to be known as the most responsible company in the denim industry. I think in order to be the most responsible company, you first of all have to have transparency across your supply chains. We're launching a digital AGI campaign this year that will allow us to digitize a lot of our manual processes, and we strongly believe that this will bring in a new wave of traceability in our industry. We have 2 new garment factories, a spinning mill and denim mill that would be, of course, all green. We plan to add on this extra production by 2023, and it just addresses the needs of the hour. The need of the hour is have green production, and we're going to be doing this through our green infrastructure. When aligning our goal and vision for 2025, we did a deep dive into how we can design and manufacture today for a better tomorrow. As part of that process, we dug deep into our water, chemical, and energy consumptions. On the water side, we decided to invest into our effluent treatment plant that will allow us to process 1 million gallons of water and recycle them and throw them back into our processes by the end of 2022. We really believe that this investment will carry us forward and try to achieve our goal of being first freshwater neutral company. Along with that, we've also launched Refresh Denim, which is our campaign to manufacture jeans with zero fresh water. All the water that would be used in that would be thrown back into our processes and recycled. On the chemical side, through a lot of research and development, we have managed to decrease our liquid ratios into what we believe is some of the lowest in the industry. And we really want to streamline this more for the future by investing back into the best machines, working closely with our suppliers and partners on unique solutions to reduce this impact further. I think if this past year has taught us anything, it's that we have to give back and we have to look after our planet. That involves, I think, all stakeholders coming together, working towards solutions that will allow us to be better, allow us to design better, manufacture better. And I think as an industry, we have to get all the stakeholders on one page. It's important to address the issues that we have. It's important to acknowledge that we can do things in a better way, and we're not doing that. So for example, circular designs, circular manufacturing, these business models did not exist in the past, but they are now available to us, and we can minimize the use of our resources and still have a good solution on the table, have a good product on the table. And we just have to incentivize the way we manufacture. We have to I think we really have to incentivize sustainability. That's something that not a lot of people are talking about, but we can do things in a better way, and we can reduce the impact that we have. So for example, embedding climate change metrics in our corporate systems and in our key performance indicators is just a small way of how we can get ahead of the issues that we have and get everyone on the same page. So at AGI, we've tried to automate every step of the process along the vertical supply chain. Starting from the fabric end, we've tried to get the best intelligent cutting softwares that will reduce our consumptions, reduce our fabric wastage. We've tried to automate the cutting process by getting laser cutting. That carries forward through the stitching, of course, where we have pocket setters, auto hemmers, every step of the process that can give you better quality, that can reduce your waste. We've tried to do that. So even, for example, in our washing, installing low liquid ratio machines. Robots, for example, that's an innovation that we're really proud of, that our robots are entirely designed in-house at AGI. We have managed to completely rethink the manual dry process framework. I think this was a pain point for every garment factory where they had a lot of variation across their spray department, and by making these robots, we've managed to completely eliminate the human involvement that is there in PP spraying. And of course, now with PP spray becoming a huge issue in our chemical and sustainable portfolios, we have been able to successfully run PP replacements also through these robots. And of course, that goes without saying that we continue to invest back into our lasers. We have the largest number of lasers in the country, and we continue to ramp up our laser production. So currently AGI can manufacture 50% of their production through lasers. What we aim to achieve through these automations is to design with a more circular intent, minimize margin for human error, and maximize our consistencies. We really believe that, with these automations, we can be leaner, we can be better, and we can be faster.